Hey everyone, welcome to Clean It with Rana and thank you for clicking on this video. Today in this quick video, I am showing how I turned my daughter's old bedroom and closet into my office and craft room using items from IKEA, Home Goods, Amazon, and at home. Please stay tuned until the end of the video because I will do a short tour of the finished look. On this channel, you will find organization, cleaning, and occasional decor videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. This is a picture I had in my old office. Before the new look, I wanted neutral colors. White, silver, and like an ivory or tan. White to me is a power color. When I see it, it makes me want to accomplish a lot and just get things done. You know, I know some people like red, but I like white. So I spray painted these and also my knobs on my desk, and I also spray painted the pot that holds the plant that sits on my desk a silver color as well, and you'll see that a little bit later in the video. So let me give a little bit of context as to what is even going on. There are 3 main bedrooms that are upstairs. There's 2 that are on one side of the house and there's 1 on the other side of the house. My 2 oldest girls were sharing a room, 2 youngest girls sharing a room, and they both of them had the bigger rooms, and I took the smallest room in the house and used it as the office. However, I noticed that the 2 younger girls who were sharing a room kept wanting to go over to the other side of the house. So one day I just asked them, would you all want to just be on this other side of the house and y'all get to share a bathroom and do sleepovers and it's easier? They were like, yes. So I said, okay, fine. So I took their old bedroom and they took my old office, and it actually worked out really well. Please make sure you stay tuned because in a few videos from now, I'm going to be showing the makeover. It's a major makeover that I did in both of the girls' rooms, so they are loving their rooms now. So in my office is actually where we do any kind of recording and have our studio equipment, and I do my studying in here and everything. And then I took the old closet that was a part of this bedroom and made it into a craft room. This is the look of the craft room for now, but I do plan on doing a future video where I will be updating this craft room with some shelving from IKEA, so please stay tuned for that as well. So as you see here, I have a computer stand and it is from IKEA, and the white printer came from Office Depot. This clock that you're gonna see came from Home Goods. The curtains came from IKEA. I love these curtains, and I will try to link everything that I can still find down below, but this actually was done last summer, so this video is way overdue. We painted the walls a neutral tan. These motivational pictures came from At Home. I already had this office chair, but this came from Office Depot, and the pillow came from Amazon. Love doing work in this room. Every day I'm hustling. Had to have that pillow. My blue Yeti microphone, but it's in a silver color. I actually believe we got that from Best Buy. And these are some of the books that I'm currently studying for some things that I'm doing in my calendar. Now, these cords and everything, I know they look crazy, but that's just because it looks like that whenever I'm about to do a video, but usually I don't have those out. The crystal clear office decor came from Amazon or Home Goods. I'm actually switching out this black mouse pad for a different one. I gave my other one to my daughters. It's going to be white. So please make sure you follow me on Instagram at Clean It with Rana so you can see the updates. I had to get this plate from Amazon. Loved it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please stay tuned because I will be doing more spring cleaning and makeovers. And please, if you got any value from this video, hit the like button, go on and share it with a friend, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next time. Bye-bye.